What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my brand new episode of Restorations with Vic. The day is finally here. We finally launched our rebrand. Over there we got our brand new Rejuvenator logo, brand new Rejuvenator products that are fully improved with new packaging, new set, new Rejuvenator gear. I'm excited, you guys. This day has been a long time coming. In the last year I've had 10 crappy sets, but this beauty right here, this beauty is here to stay. What we're gonna be working on today are these shattered backboards that are super cooked. We're gonna give the shoe a proper deep clean inside and out, repaint the uppers, and remove the yellowing. Enough chit chat, let's get started. For this cleaning, we're gonna be using our Rejuvenator shoe trees. We'll also be using our newest essential kit. That kit comes with our soft bristle, medium bristle, stiff bristle, our all-natural solution, and a towel. We'll also be using our newest product, a cleaning mat. You guys know I need this, and a bowl. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out the way real quick. The first step I gotta do is remove the laces and insole. All right, we're prepped, ready to go. Let's grab our Rejuvenator shoe tree, adjust to the size real quick. These are a size 13, so we'll need to put it on the last hole and insert it inside the shoe. Good to go with that. Now let's grab our bowl of water, a 4-ounce bottle of solution, and squirt 2 squirts. We got our solution inside our bowl of water, shoe trees in, we're all prepped, ready to go. Let's grab our soft bristle brush to get this cleaning started. Brand new handles, much bigger, fits nicer in your hand. I'm a fan. All right, guys, we got the uppers fully soaked up. The orange still has a couple of steep stains. We're gonna let the set sit on it for a little while so it can continue breaking down that grime. What we're gonna move on to now are the tongues and the insides of the shoe. The insides are just as disgusting as the outsides. We're gonna continue using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, insides look great. Let's put this brush to the side for now and move on to our medium bristle. We'll be using this brush to take care of the deep stains on the leather. White bristles. All right, guys, all done using the medium bristle brush. Uppers look great. Let's move on to our last brush, which is our stiff bristle. Let's remove the sleeve real quick and get these soles fully cleaned up. Not gonna lie, you guys, this new brush fits a lot better in my hand. The size of the handle just feels so much better. As you can see right here, you guys, these midsoles are super grimy. I'm gonna show you guys using the stiff bristle brush how well this brush works. Midsoles look great, you guys. Now let's move on to cleaning up these outsoles with the stiff bristle brush still. All right guys, this shoe's fully cleaned up. I'm not gonna put it in the washing machine because it just doesn't need it, but I am gonna let it dry outside for a few hours. Before I take it outside though, I wanna show you guys possibly my new favorite product. You guys know how messy I am when I'm cleaning my shoes, so this thing comes in super clutch. I'm gonna pour the rest of the water and solution all over the mat to show you guys how well it works. Let it soak up for a few seconds, move it around. All right. Dried, not a drop. This thing's awesome. Go put the shoe outside to dry. We are back, guys. We got the shoe fully cleaned up and dried. As you can see, the midsoles, the soles, the uppers, and even the insides are fully cleaned and disinfected. They're ready to move on to the next step on this restoration, thanks to our Rejuvenator Essential Kit. Now moving on, we gotta remove some of this yellowing on the midsoles. It's not too bad, but it can be whiter. We'll be using Salon Care 40, Saran Wrap, and the sun. All right, good to go. Let's put these under the sun. It's a great moment to show you guys my fit, by the way. All done removing the yellowing from the soles. The white is back to white. It's glowing. Only took about an hour outside in the sun. Now moving on, we gotta start prepping the uppers for painting. As you can see over here, the back is pretty scuffed up. It is super faded. Before we can lay down our paint, we gotta prep it using acetone and cotton balls. All done acetoning the orange leather on the shoe. Before we start painting, there's one more thing we gotta do, which is remove the creasing off this toe box. We're gonna be using an iron, a wet rag, and some towels. All you gotta do is grab some old towels, stuff the toe box to get a nice shape. Then you're gonna grab your wet towel, place it over the toe box, and with a hot iron, simply iron out the creasing. All right, we got it all stuffed. Let's grab our wet towel. It's actually a dirty rag. That is wet. That looks good, you guys. We got the creasing completely out. All we gotta do now is let it cool down because it's super hot before we can start laying down our paint. All done removing the creasing off the toe box. As you can see, that toe box looks great. Before we can lay down our paint, there's one more step we gotta do. The leather on the shoe is supposed to be super soft. Right now it's a little rough. So using some 1500 grit sandpaper, we're gonna sand it down real quick before we start laying down our paint. All right, on to the fun stuff. To create this perfect shattered backboard orange mix, I used 5 different colors. I started off with the yellow, added a little bit of red to create an orange color, added white to lighten it up, then I perfected it using some orange and tangerine. Mess around with those colors and you get the perfect mix. Now let's go ahead and lay it down using my angular brush. Orange is fully laid down, you guys. The color match is on point all around. No paint where there shouldn't be. The black and white are good to go. I don't have to paint that. There was no scratches or scuffs in those areas. The last thing I gotta do to protect this orange leather is to go outside and protect it with some Krylon matte finish. All right, YouTube, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full restoration of these Air Jordan 1 original Shatter backboards. Let's go and break down exactly what I did. The first step I did to get the shoe fully cleaned up, inside and out, and disinfected, we'll use our Reshoevn8r Essential Kit, our shoe trees, cleaning mat, and our bowl to get this cleaning done just right. Afterwards, we removed all the yellowing from the sole using Salon Care 40 in the sun. Then, we did a lot of prep work on the uppers to get it ready for the repaint. Removed the creasing from the toe boxes using the iron method, got the toe boxes looking perfect afterwards. Then we finished it off by repainting the orange leather with the perfect color mix and wrapped it up by protecting the paint job using some Krylon matte finish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys. You'll find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. This is Vic. I'll see you guys next Monday.